First off, for persons who say Benin Republic is a slow country, I don't know what you're on about, but number one, this country is not slow. And number two, it's not slow. I've spent close to 16 hours already in Cotonou, and this city is completely different from what I anticipated. Like, it's busy from early morning till late in the night. There's so many cars and an ungodly amount of motorcycles. It's crazy. It's almost like everyone in this city has a motorcycle. The people are friendly, everything is like going really smooth and normal. I can't complain.
If the increasingly busy roads, rising population, and the cluster of construction work going on in this city are anything to go by, then it might be safe to say that Benin Republic is a fast-growing country. But I could as well be wrong. Nonetheless, I'm in the city of Cotonou because I've been told that this is where everything happens. Nice beaches, clubs, gardens, restaurants, beautiful hotels, a buzzing business district, the largest open-air market in West Africa, and a very welcoming people. To be honest, there's really not much to complain about here. However, my first 28 hours here were quite inhibited by the rain, so I pretty much just walked around town until about 3 p.m. when I met with this great guy I had contacted via Instagram.
Hey, Steve.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, I'm good.
Fine?
Very fine.
How Benin is? It's your second day here, right?
Yeah, second day, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been fun so far.
I'm happy for that. Good name, Chakpalu. Okay, to have something like this, you need to ground the corn, and then they leave it, and you get the fermentation. And then after, the girl said you put sugar, and I don't really know after, but it tastes good, cha. So.
Yeah, that's like a mild palm wine.
What is palm wine?
Palm wine is made from, you know, palm.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, the palm tree. Yes, there's a wine from, there's a water that comes from it. So it also goes through the fermentation.
Okay.
Only that this is done with corn. Yeah, you know. Yeah, so it's. And then you put sugar in this one. Yeah, I think some people put sugar in palm wine also, but yeah, not everybody puts sugar in it. Yeah. So it's like a mild palm wine. It's really nice. Yeah. After so many hours of talking, we ended the night with a cold glass of bissap and a very full stomach. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow in Togo. Hey, don't forget to subscribe.
This market, because of the border, they close. Jafia, no market. We are still living the same life we are living before. It's the same thing that we are still living. The same thing we are buying is the same price of amount we are still buying it. But the problem is Nigerian people are not coming to Cotonou to buy anything from us again.
Oh, that's because of the border closure?
Yes, now. No business, nothing. Market is not moving. When you buy, to sell is problem. But Nigeria is good though. But I prefer Benin.
Why? Why
I thought you eat well. Food is cheap. It's cheaper in Benin than in Nigeria. Nigeria, this is expensive. Market is supposed to sell like 200. Benin people will not come and price it 50. But Nigeria people will buy it the same rate you want to sell it. Because when they calculate the exchange, they will buy it.
What about other? I hear that other people come from other countries, like Cameroon and Senegal and all that.
They come, but not much like Nigeria. Not much like Nigeria.
Wow. So
Let them open border for us, so let them please, so we'll sell.